Nice kitchen, okay? Very nice. The only thing that's not original in here is some of the utensils are replicas. This stove has also been rebuilt, and these ovens have been rebuilt as well. But the material that has been used to rebuild this hearth and these two ovens are from the same period, okay? Also, if you look at the floor of this kitchen, okay, this floor is York stone, okay? York stone, this brick is ballast brick. Now, sailing ships that came across the Atlantic, which was 4,000 miles across, by the way, the nearest island to the European mainland is Barbados. And 4,000 miles across, you see, they needed weight in the bottoms of their sailing ships to get them across the ocean. So what did they put in the holes of their ships? Building materials, okay? Other supplies as well. Those building materials are what you're standing on, what you're seeing here, all throughout Barbados and through many British islands. You'll see brick buildings, York stone. This York stone you'll see if you go to London, York stone is all over the streets of London, okay? And it's all over Barbados and all throughout the British West Indies as well. So this would have been the kitchen that George would have found when he was here. One question before I get back to George. So building materials came across, what went back to Europe?
Sugar.
Sugar, very good. Sugar went back. Sugar, oil, not oil, sugar, rum and molasses. Sugar, rum and molasses. Alright, so there are some replicas on the table. We have an original mortar and pestle here, some measuring cups here. There's a sink, there's a scrubbing board there. In Barbados, we still use those scrubbing boards to scrub your clothes on. I think maybe in the US, you may have them as well. I think most of you are from the United States. Yes. Something interesting about this kitchen as well, you notice that it's separated from the main house. There are obvious reasons for that. If this kitchen ever went up, it would minimize the possibility of the main house going up, so they kept it separate. But I believe in the United States, they have, in cold parts of the US, they have summer kitchens and winter kitchens. Okay, a winter kitchen would be a kitchen that's connected right to the house. So that in the winter months, it helps to keep the house warm. In the summer months, they move out to a kitchen away from the house. And you wouldn't want a kitchen right up to your house here in this climate, I can assure you. Alright, so the reason why this one is separate is so the main house wouldn't catch fire if it ever caught fire. Storerooms, dirt floors, they were damped down on a daily basis to help keep the goods in there cool. There's a trash chute here as well. So all the trash in the house went through that window and down into a 30-foot deep gully, which is right behind. This house sat on the edge of a cliff. It had a beautiful view of the entire harbour, and it was a good place to dump your trash, okay, 30 feet down. There's a privy right next door, so everything went down into the gully as well. Alright, when they did the archaeology on this site, the richest archaeological deposits they found when they did all the archaeology here during the restoration period was right through that chute, okay, down in the gully. Alright, in terms of these ovens, something interesting, how did they heat ovens up? They didn't just turn a knob and heat it up. So they actually had to put materials inside the ovens, light that material, shut the doors and heat the ovens up. It could take a day or two to get these ovens up to the right temperature. Then they'd open the door, take everything out, brush it out, and then they would use the ovens to do their cooking. When the temperature dropped in the ovens, they'd simply put material in, light it, and bring the ovens back up to heat. Brush everything out, use the ovens for a couple more days. And that's how it worked in those days. Okay? Any questions? Thank you very much.